All right, let's dive right into the massive OEM opportunity that's opening up in wearable AI. And it's not just us saying it. Industry leaders agree. This market is accelerating fast. We're talking a projected 14.5 million AR and AI glasses shipping globally by 2025. But with all that potential, you have to ask, what's been the big holdup? Well, for starters, early devices were just bulky, awkward, not something you'd want to wear all day. We solved that. Our AI glasses are totally indistinguishable from high-end fashion eyewear. And check this out. The temples are only 8 millimeters thick. That's the thinnest in the industry. This obsession with design means one thing. Your customers can wear them comfortably all day long. But a great design is just half the story. Let's get into the AI. We're the first to pull off seamless two-way translation in a real back-and-forth conversation. And get this, it's 98% accurate, and that's across more than 77 different languages. And our platform is innovating at breakneck speed. I mean, just look at this growth. It also completely changes the game for meetings, capturing every single detail, effortlessly.
So how do we power all this all day long? It's all about our smart dual-chip architecture. Combine that with batteries you can swap in 5 seconds, and you've got basically unlimited power.
The micro LED display is super bright. We're talking 1500 nits, so you can see it perfectly even outside. And our unique display engine, it's another huge piece of the all-day battery life puzzle. Okay, so this isn't just a product, it's a complete market-ready ecosystem. Let me show you. We've built out this InMo world with some of the biggest and best names in the industry. And we're putting our money where our mouth is, with a dedicated fund to help developers build apps. Look, this isn't some concept. We are the proven market leader, and we are ready to scale. So what's the bottom line? Partnering with us gives you an immediate and powerful competitive edge. The opportunity is right here, right now. So let's go define the future of wearable AI together.